Hi there, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Bynum. Today, I would like to teach you a new number sense routine called Esti-Mystery, and that stands for estimation mystery. So, estimation is to make a smart guess about how much there is of something based on the clues and the information that you have. So that's what we're going to practice today. So if you'll take a look, my screen, you'll see there's a 120s chart. We're going to use that to help us with our number. Then you'll see on the bottom right corner, there's a bowl and it has some stuff in it. Those are actually crayons that the paper's been torn off of them. So they've been placed in that little bowl there, and then there's a die next to it. So what you're going to be estimating over the next 5 days is how many crayons are in that bowl. Over the next 5 days, you're going to get a clue each day to help you narrow down the number that might be in that bowl. So your job is to come up with this number by the 5th day. So right above the picture, you're going to see a clue. Today's clue number 1. You'll have 4 or 5 clues, and every time you receive a clue, the numbers that it could possibly be are going to get smaller and smaller and smaller. So you're going to narrow it down to like 3 numbers, and then you're going to pick the one that you think is the best choice. Up above your clue, you're going to see directions each day. For a few days, the directions will stay the same. And then on the 4th day, they'll be a little bit different. So you need to make sure that you read them very, very carefully. Okay, so let's do an example of this. So I'm going to use my 120s chart to help me with this clue that I have. So the clue says, the answer is an even number that is less than 90. So I don't want to get rid of the answer. I want the answer to stay on the board. I want to get rid of all the things that could not be the answer. So the answer is an even number, which means that it cannot be an odd number. So I would want to get rid of all the odd numbers. So I would use my drawing tool and I would get rid of all of the odd numbers. Now remember that the odd numbers are, there we go, it showed up. The odd numbers are all the numbers that have an odd number in the ones place. Okay, so I'm going to use my drawing tool and I'm going to get rid of the odd numbers. Okay, you'll see it show up. There's a little bit of a delay. There we go. Okay, so those are odd numbers. These are odd numbers. Okay. There we go. Okay, so I think I've gotten rid of all the odd numbers because I know that it's going to be an even number. So I want to leave those there. The second part of my clue says that it's less than 90. The answer is less than 90. So I want to keep all the numbers that are less than 90 that are even, but I want to get rid of all the numbers that are greater than 90. So again, I would use my drawing tool. And there's going to be a little bit of a delay, but I'm marking out the ones that it could not be. Okay. Let's see if that'll come through. There it is. Okay, so let's see if I've done this right. I looked at the picture. I read the clue, and I'm using the drawing tools to mark out all the numbers that could not be the mystery number. The answer is an even number, so I marked out the odd ones. That's less than 90. So I kept the ones less than 90 and I got rid of the ones greater than 90. Okay, so when you see a clue and you see your 120s chart each day, you're going to do exactly what I did. You're going to read the clue and you're going to get rid of the numbers that could not be the answer. All right, enjoy.